I'm Larry O'Rickland, and I lead Microsoft's developer and application builder business. One of the great things about my role is the chance to see the amazing innovation happening in the industry today. One of the hot topics that I talk about with customers every day is security. And in particular, one of the aspects of security is document security. Today, I'm here with Darren Clune, who's CEO of Secured2, who has figured out a great way to solve this problem. Darren, great to speak with you today.
Great to speak with you as well.
Can you tell us maybe a little of the industry trends that you see that led to Secured2 creating the solution?
Yeah, the industry trends that we're seeing right now in the market space is people want to be in control of the security of their data in someone else's storage. And that's what we provide. And we also see the loss of IP, valuable digital assets, and then we also see this massive trend of collaboration, which is people working in many different locations with documents everywhere.
Can you tell us what customers are doing today to try and solve this problem and why you don't think that's good enough?
Well, I think the solutions have proven that they're not working. Hacking is running rampant, and we see right now that, really other than a broad data retention policy, what else is there?
Given that, how is the Secured2 solution different?
Yeah, so our solution works by a patented shrink, shred, secure, and restore methodology. And how this works is we convert data into a unique binary key. We take that key, we shred it into little fragments, we encrypt those fragments, and then we scatter it out wherever a customer wants it to go, multiple VMs, cloud, hybrid. So think of a hacker. If a hacker had to hack this, they'd have to figure out all the random locations for which the data was shred and spread. They would have to unlock each individual little encrypted piece. They'd have to know this precise order in which we shred the data, and then they would have to figure out how to unlock it by having the key of the user. It'd be impossible.
And so is that different than the way the rest of the industry approaches it?
Yeah, it's much different, and the reason is because the industry doesn't use the capability of shredding out into multiple different locations. They don't have the ability to restore that data once it's been shredded, which we do, and then also we go beyond encryption.
As it comes to security, there are certain markets where requirements for security is much different than in other industries. What verticals are you focusing on with your solution?
The verticals that we see are anything that's heavily regulated, financial, medical. We really have a solution that I think appeals to those groups to give them that guarantee that they just can't be hacked.
Darren, why do you see that Secured2 plus Microsoft is a 1 + 1 = 3 for our customers?
Yeah, so Microsoft is known for innovation and its thought leadership around the world. With its millions of customers, we are so excited to tap into that and give Microsoft the security advantage for its customers to give them that confidence when using the platform. I also want to say that the relationship with Microsoft and the partnership has been the best I've ever had. I've worked with so many partners throughout my career, and this is by far the best experience I've ever had.
In order for a solution really to get used, it has to be really easy for the customers and the users. How does a user of Office 365 use Secured2 solution?
This solution is so simple, and you guys have made it easy. It's really a one-button click in the ribbon of any application that you're in. You hit secure, it secures your document.
Critical in the security space is getting the right kind of vetting from industry experts and governing bodies. What has Secured2 done to get the appropriate vetting done for its solution today?
Well, the vetting that we've done, we don't want people to take our word for it. We brought in the best people in the industry to do the analysis of our security. The former cybersecurity chief for the FBI, and then he brought us into a group in the federal government that does the hacking and forensics for the CIA, DoD. So we've really had the best in the industry with the best tools try to hack it, and they couldn't. We've also had vetting at universities, large corporations, and really continue to do that today, but the results are in. Nobody's been able to hack us.
The healthcare industry in particular has compliance regulations as part of its HIPAA compliance rules. What have you done to ensure encryption is appropriate for all the HIPAA compliance standards?
So we do add a layer of AES encryption, and basically to fit those different compliances, and that you have the federal regulations for encryption, medical with HIPAA, and we cover all of them by adding a layer of encryption. But we do go beyond encryption for security.
That's exciting to hear about what you have today. As you begin to look forward, what are some things you're excited about for future releases?
Well, 2 words: Windows Hello. It's one of the most exciting authentication technologies that exists, and we're going to tap into that and build our security into that.
That's great. Really helpful, Darren. Any words you'd like to say to close out here?
Well, I do. You know, Microsoft is known for incredible innovation and industry leadership, and we are so excited to be a part of that. To have our security benefit all the customers, the millions of users around the world, is really a dream come true for our business, and we're really excited to work with you.
We're excited about the partnership and think Secured plus Microsoft is a great solution for the industry. So Darren, thank you very much.
Thank you.